Hey, my name is Emily and I have Tourette syndrome. This person asked, does it affect my breathing and stuff? And do I sometimes mistake them as hiccups? So yes, they can definitely sound like hiccups, but I can tell the difference between a tick and a hiccup, at least when it comes to my own ticks. It has to do more with the feeling, and I know my ticks very well. But they can be mistaken as hiccups, and a lot of times ticks will go unnoticed as hiccups or as clearing the throat or coughing. Or sniffing. And yeah, that's a very good question.